Coming up in this video, I've got a very quick review of Fentimans brand new tropical soda. So if you want to know all about that, stay tuned. Hello rum fans, Steve the Barman here, and I'm hoping these videos will help you drink, serve and enjoy better quality rum, and at the moment spiced rum. I've had a few comments on my social media recently and a few questions on my YouTube videos. You guys want to know a bit more about this brand new tropical soda from Fentimans, so I thought I'd just do a very quick video. I have mentioned it a few times in previous videos, but I thought I'd do a very quick one just to tell you a bit more about it. This was kind of soft launched to the industry earlier on this year, 2019. Sort of June, July time. It was launched at Imbibe at the big bar show. Then a few bars, they sent it out to a few bars to play with. Lackey Kane in London was one of them. A few Revolution de Cubas also had it as well. But it has only just been on general release to the consumers. And while most wholesalers should have access to these small 125ml mixer bottles, I'm starting to see the bigger sort of traditional Fentimans 500ml bottles come out in a few supermarkets now. I've seen a couple of bottles in Morrison's and Ocado online, and I've heard that Waitrose sell them as well. So why am I so excited about this tropical soda? Well, it's something that you guys that have been watching my channel now for the last couple of years, yes, I did sort of do a bit of gin as well, but I've always been about rum. And the things I keep mentioning, there is the one thing that rum and spiced rum needs to kind of explode even more is that dedicated mixer. Yes, there are Coca-Colas, yes, there are ginger beers, and yes, I have gone loud and proud on Schweppes' 1783 Muscovado Dark Spirit Mixer. However, the one thing all those products have in common is they are not a catch-all when it comes to rum. There's a lot of people that don't like Coca-Colas, a lot of people that don't like ginger beer, and for a lot of people that Schweppes Muscovado is a bit too sweet. So I've been sort of championing something or some brand to come out and release something that is universally going to work with rum, and I think Fentimans have absolutely nailed it with this tropical soda. So what exactly is it? Well, in a nutshell, it is a pineapple and cardamom soda water. It has got more sweetness than a traditional soda water, but it is a less sweet than sort of your Lilts and your Tings and your Coca-Colas. It's still very much got that kind of soda palate to it. And in keeping with Fentimans tradition, there's also a couple more ingredients in it as well. I'm just going to read you them. Pear juice concentrate, juniper berry, Kaffir lime leaves, and lemongrass. And when all those flavours come together, I just think this is a superb mixer for rums and a lot of the spice rums that I've already tried on this channel. This tropical mixer is kind of a standalone mixer. You could just have it with your rum, just as you would do a rum and coke or a rum and ginger beer. That works an absolute treat with a lot of rums and coconut rums as well. Coconut and pineapple, things, I hate to say it, but things like Malibu and things like that, that's going to work exceptionally well with those. I kind of go a bit stronger. I do use Dead Man's Fingers coconut, which is 37.5%, but there's so many decent coconut rums on there, that's going to work very well. But you can also use this as a cocktail ingredient as well. Think traditionally, what can you replace sodas with? You've got things like spritzes that you could kind of make a tropical spritz with that, spiced rum, a bit of that, bit of Prosecco, maybe some lime juice in there as well. You could flip it up with the coconut rum and the tropical soda and a bit of Prosecco as well. And you've got this whole kind of tropical spritz thing going on. Or there's one very big famous cocktail that you could swap that tropical soda in for. Get rid of the traditional soda. What am I talking about? Yes, I'm talking about the mojito. Just absolutely amazing. Traditional mojito there for me. I've got Havana 3-year-old. I've dialed down the sugar just very slightly because, as I say, that is a touch sweeter than traditional soda water. But apart from that, all I've done, same amount of lime in there, mint, double measure of Havana 3-year-old. That just makes an absolutely amazing tropical mojito. So all you rum fans out there, I'd urge you to get very excited about this. Track down your local supermarket if they haven't got it yet. Ask them when they're going to get it. Get onto Fentimans on social media. Go and try it. Go and check it out. Ocado, Waitrose, I think, and Morrison's. Get on there, your 500ml bottles. If you're in the industry, tap your wholesaler up. So that's been Fentimans Tropical Soda. Hope you enjoyed that. I've been Steve the Barman. Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.